let's make a video. Knicknaques has a show coming up in a couple of weeks, and Jayme asked me to fix this thing. This is no bueno. So I'm going to cut this off and replace it with a new piece here. And play with my welder and my new angle grinder. Let's see how it goes. So first I got to get this piece off. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut here. And I'm not sure if I should try to cut that or break it loose or what. And do the same thing here and here. Alright, that went well. Alright, this is just going to pop off. That was no bueno. I probably should have cut that before I cut this because it's going to be loosey-goosey now. But we'll make it work. There wasn't much holding it on. So, I need to go from here to here. I'm going to cut it a little long. 24 inches. Got to do a little cleanup work, so I can use my new angle grinder. There it is. I am all in with the Ryobi 1 Plus system. Man, I mean, if you get the batteries to stay working, it's just super handy. I don't know how many Ryobi 1 Plus tools I have, but it's a bunch. Let me put it together. Clean it up for the welds. Test fit. Alright, that should work out good. Cool. Alright, it's almost time to weld. I've got it positioned so that I can tack it in place, this side anyway. I'll have to mess with that side a little later. I'm not much of a welder, but the material I've been working with so far has been very thin. So this is quite thick compared to what I've been working with. So I should be able to lay a pretty good amount of material down on there. So let's see how it goes. Alright, it's tacked on there. It's ugly, but it's tacked on there. Let me clean that up a little bit and put some more material on it. Got one in my shoe. All right, let's clean it up so we can get it to look like. It ain't perfect, but not bad for me. So now I need to attach these two pieces. It's ugly, but it's solid. It's a rule somewhere that whenever you're working with sparks, you got to do a slow-mo. So here comes a slow-mo. All right, if you're an experienced welder, you'll probably laugh at me, but that is the first weld job I've done where I'm not completely ashamed of it. Jayme's dad says the angle grinder makes the welds, and I believe him. Just lay a bunch of material down, fill in the holes. I got a couple of holes there. No big deal, but it's a lot better than it was, and with some paint, it'll be good as new. So now I got to do the other side. I had to grind some more material down to make that proper. So it's almost where I want it. I'm going to scoot it over just a little bit before I weld it. I could use some more light. Yeah, how about the light from the video camera? Well, from the phone. Oh, that's a pretty good bead. Just got a little spot right there when you get. not too shabby. Again, for me, not a welder, but I'm happy with it. It will work. Now we just gotta attach this thing. Shouldn't be a big deal. Pretty ugly, but it's on there. I should do it for the welding. It's got some grinding left and it'll be done. Also, see where I left that long? I'm just going to grind it off. I didn't want to mess with having to get an exact measurement and stuff like that because I figured things were going to move a little bit. So, be back in a minute. It's not like I'm doing body work on a car and it's got to be perfect, but again, I'm pretty happy with that. A little paint should be better than new because the welds that are on here, like that, those are worse than the ones I got. So, grind this edge down here. That's going to do it. One more better bird cage stand. Alright, pretty happy with that.